Elon Musk is back with yet another game-changing announcement that could shake up the world as we know it. After transforming the car space and energy industries, Musk now has his SES set on the housing market. He's unveiled Tesla's new $7,000 home, designed to be affordable, eco-friendly, and powered by sustainable energy. This isn't just a house, it's a self-sustaining mini powerhouse that could redefine how we live. Imagine a home with no electricity bills, low environmental impact, in technology that adapts to your needs. But how does Musk plan to make this radical vision a reality, and could this new Tesla home really be the future of affordable, sustainable living? Part 1. The visionary drive behind Tesla's $7,000 house. Elon Musk has done it again. Just when you think he's pushing the boundaries as far as they can go with electric cars, rockets, and solar power, he announces something so groundbreaking it has the potential to change how we live. We're talking about his latest project, a $7,000 Tesla house. Now you might be thinking, a $7,000 house, that's less than the cost of some high-end smartphones. But with Musk, you know it's not just about affordability, it's about revolutionizing entire systems and shaking up industries. This house is set to be an affordable, sustainable, high-tech home that's not only easy on your wallet, but also the environment. It's Musk's answer to the housing crisis and a whole new way to think about what a home can be. Imagine Musk himself at a press event, casually saying, "I'm releasing Tesla's new $7,000 house that will change everything," and he would say it just like that, like it's no big deal. But we know better. Musk never says things he doesn't mean, and he definitely doesn't make moves without a larger-than-life vision behind them. So let's talk about that vision first, because it's the driving force behind this bold, almost unimaginable project. Musk has always been a visionary, but his vision isn't just about tech for the sake of tech. It's about making the world a better place, one innovation at a time. He wants to tackle some of humanity's biggest problems: sustainability, energy consumption, and affordability. If you followed his journey with Tesla, SolarCity, and SpaceX, you already know he's not someone who settles for what's good enough. When it comes to housing, he sees two huge problems: homes are too expensive, and they're a massive drain on our planet's resources. And let's face it, with the prices of homes skyrocketing every year, it's becoming harder for regular folks to own a home. Musk sees this problem, and as usual wants to solve it with technology. Now here's where things get interesting. Musk's idea for this house isn't about making a luxurious mansion or a fancy high-rise. This is minimalistic, modular, and designed with sustainability at its core. It's the kind of home that works just as well in the suburbs as it would in a remote area off the grid. It's a house that's powered by Tesla's own tech, drawing energy from the sun, storing it in a Tesla Powerwall, and potentially requiring no external power at all. Think about that. No utility bills, no dependency on power companies, just a house that sustains itself. It's like Musk is pulling back the curtain on a new way of life, one that's self-sufficient and doesn't drain the Earth's resources. But why now? Why is Musk launching a $7,000 home at this particular moment? There's a sense of urgency here, and Musk has good reasons for it. Look around. Housing markets in major cities are through the roof. Homelessness is a growing crisis, and more people are struggling just to make rent, let alone buy a home. Plus, environmental concerns are more pressing than ever. Musk doesn't just see these issues as someone watching from the sidelines. He feels a responsibility to offer solutions. This house isn't just a product, it's part of a larger mission. He's creating a model that can be produced on a large scale, making it possible for millions of people to afford a home and live sustainably. What's unique about Musk's approach here is that he doesn't just throw money at problems, he goes after the root cause. He's not content to make homes affordable by cutting corners or using cheap materials. Instead, he's using Tesla's groundbreaking technology to keep the cost low without compromising on quality or sustainability, and this house is a testament to that philosophy. It's like he's saying, here's a home that's within reach for everyone and doesn't sacrifice the future of our planet. Now picture what life in one of these homes might look like. It's compact, efficient, and designed to fit a variety of needs and lifestyles. Unlike traditional homes, which come with massive utility bills and maintenance costs, Musk's house is meant to be practically self-sustaining, and it's all powered by solar energy, something Tesla has already mastered. The home's roof would be covered in Tesla's solar tiles, which look like regular shingles, but are mini solar panels gathering sunlight throughout the day. All of this energy gets stored in a Tesla Powerwall, so you're never left in the dark. Literally, even on a cloudy day, the Powerwall ensures that your home stays lit, your devices stay charged, and your life goes on as usual. It doesn't stop there. The whole place is designed to be smart. Tesla's AI technology is integrated into the house's core functions, meaning your home can basically think for itself. Imagine walking into a home that adjusts its temperature based on your preferences, automatically dims the lights in the evening, and even anticipates your energy usage to optimize efficiency. This is the future. Musk envisions a seamless integration between home and tech, where everything runs smoothly without us having to lift a finger. And let's talk about the materials for a second. Musk didn't want to go the route of flimsy, short-lived materials just to keep costs down. The materials used in this house are designed for durability, and they're sustainable too. It's built to last, designed to withstand various climates, and modular enough to adapt to different needs and terrains. Musk wants these homes to be accessible to anyone, anywhere, whether you're in the middle of the city or out in the countryside. It's the kind of design that's not only resilient but also versatile, giving you The option to expand or reconfigure as your life changes. Musk's approach to housing is as much about independence as it is about sustainability. He wants people to be able to live off the grid if they choose, relying on themselves rather than big corporations for things like power. This self-sufficiency is a big part of the appeal. With one of these homes, you don't have to worry about being connected to a city's electrical grid or even its water supply. Musk envisions a future where each home is its own little ecosystem with the ability to capture, store, and recycle its resources efficiently. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle change, a new way to live that gives people freedom from the typical expenses and dependencies of traditional homes. The $7,000 price tag is, of course, a major point of intrigue. People wonder, how can he make a house for that price? But when you look at the tech behind it and the way Musk has streamlined production, it starts to make sense. Tesla has always been about efficient manufacturing, cutting-edge materials, and innovative designs that eliminate unnecessary costs. By applying this same philosophy to housing, Musk has found a way to cut out the usual middlemen and bring the price down to an unheard-of level. It's a system designed to make sustainable house affordable, and it's something only Musk with his out-of-the-box thinking and resources could pull off. And let's face it, the housing market could use a shake-up. For too long, it's been dominated by inflated prices, massive mortgages, and a lack of affordable options. Musk's $7,000 house isn't just about giving people a place to live, it's about changing the system altogether. He's taking on the status quo, offering an alternative that's accessible to everyone. It's almost as if he's saying, why should a house cost hundreds of thousands of dollars when I can give you one that's just as good or better for a fraction of the price? It's a bold question, and one that challenges the traditional real estate market in a way we haven't seen before. Musk's vision extends beyond just individuals buying these homes. He's hinted at the potential for entire communities of these sustainable houses. Imagine neighborhoods powered by Tesla's technology where each home contributes to a larger interconnected grid of energy sharing, creating an eco-friendly community that's not dependent on traditional power sources. Musk isn't just thinking about houses, he's thinking about reshaping communities, rethinking urban planning, and encouraging a shift toward a more sustainable communal way of living. It's ambitious, but that's Musk for you. He doesn't just dream big, he builds big. In a lot of ways, this project feels like the culmination of Musk's work with Tesla, SolarCity, and SpaceX. He spent years developing technology that's clean, affordable, and scalable, and now he's taking that same approach to housing. It's not just about making life more convenient or affordable, it's about addressing larger issues like climate change, resource scarcity, and economic inequality. By making this house affordable and accessible, Musk is democratizing home ownership, putting it within reach for people who might never have thought it possible. Part 2. Inside Tesla's $7,000 house, the technology and design that redefines home living. Imagine walking up to this sleek, minimalistic home for the first time. It's compact, yet it has this futuristic feel that instantly makes you think this is something Musk would create. It's not huge, but every inch of it has a purpose. Unlike many traditional homes where space can often feel wasted or cluttered, this Tesla house is streamlined, with each feature carefully chosen to maximize efficiency and sustainability. This isn't just a home, it's like stepping into a high-tech, eco-friendly hub designed to be as self-sufficient as possible, and that's really the heart of it. Musk isn't just offering another option for housing. He's offering a redefinition of what a home can be. The magic starts on the roof. This isn't your typical roof, it's a solar powerhouse. Tesla's solar roof tiles look just like regular roofing shingles, but each one is a mini solar panel in disguise. They soak up sunlight throughout the day, capturing enough energy to power the entire house. You might even generate more power than you need, especially if you live in a sunny area. Any excess energy you produce doesn't go to waste either. It's stored in the Tesla Powerwall, a compact battery unit that sits in your home and ensures you always have a reliable energy source. The Powerwall stores energy for later use, meaning you're covered even at night or on cloudy days. It's like having a private energy reserve, and it makes the idea of being off the grid not just a fantasy, but a realistic option. Now, the Powerwall isn't just a regular battery, it's designed to be smart, working with Tesla's AI technology to learn your energy needs and adjust its output accordingly. It's a dynamic system that can predict how much energy you'll need based on your past usage, the time of year, and even the weather. Imagine how having a house that's not just plugged into a power source, but is actively managing and optimizing energy usage for you. This kind of intelligent energy management is where Musk's vision really shines. He's not just giving us solar panels, he's giving us a home that thinks, adapts, and learns, all with the goal of making energy consumption as efficient as possible. But what about the inside? You'd expect a house like this to be loaded with tech, and you're absolutely right. The Tesla house is designed to be fully integrated with Tesla SM smart home ecosystem. We're talking about automation on a level that turns ordinary smart homes into a thing of the past. Imagine coming home, and the house has already adjusted the temperature to your preference, the lights come on at just the right brightness, and your devices are fully charged thanks to the energy stored in the Powerwall. This isn't just convenience, it's a lifestyle where everything works in harmony, reducing waste and optimizing resources. It's as if Musk took all the best parts of futuristic movies about smart homes and made them real. And let's not forget that this house is designed to be modular. That means you can expand or reconfigure it based on your needs. So if you start out with a small unit but need more space later on, You can add more modules without having to uproot yourself or make massive renovations. It's like Musk is saying, why should your home stay the same while your life changes? It's a radical shift from the way traditional homes are built. Instead of locking you into a set structure, Tesla's modular design offers flexibility. It's a house that grows with you, adapting to your needs, rather than forcing you to adapt to it. And because it's Tesla, the process of adding on is streamlined, with each module designed to connect seamlessly with the existing structure. Living in a Tesla home also means being part of a larger movement toward environmental consciousness. Every part of this house is designed with sustainability in mind, from the materials used to the way energy is produced and stored. Musk has always been vocal about his commitment to reducing humanity's carbon footprint, and this house is his way of making that commitment accessible to the everyday person. The materials used are durable yet sustainable, meaning they last longer and have less environmental impact compared to traditional construction materials. Imagine a home that's built to last without leaving a massive footprint on the planet. That's the goal here, a house that respects the earth as much as it respects your wallet. What's really fascinating is the idea of autonomy that comes with this house. You're no longer dependent on utility companies for power, and you can be free from traditional water systems if you choose. Musk has even talked about integrating water recycling systems into these homes, meaning you could have a house that doesn't rely on a city's infrastructure at all. It's a powerful idea, living in a home that's entirely self-sufficient. For a lot of people, that kind of independence is a dream. No more worrying about rising utility costs, no more unexpected bills, just you, your house, and the resources you generate on your own. Musk's vision is that each Tesla home is its own little ecosystem, a bubble of sustainability that stands on its own. And this brings us to the design itself. Musk isn't known for making things that are just functional. He wants them to look good too. The Tesla house reflects that aesthetic. It's modern, minimal, and sleek, with clean lines and a sense of space that feels open and airy. The interior is designed to make the most out of a small footprint, with built-in storage and multifunctional spaces. Every part of the house has a purpose, and yet it doesn't feel cramped. Musk and his team have managed to create a design that feels both efficient and comfortable, which is no small feat. You don't feel like you're living in a tiny box. You feel like you're living in a futuristic, eco-friendly oasis. Imagine walking through the house and seeing how seamlessly everything works together. The walls and floors are made from materials that retain heat in winter and keep things cool in summer, reducing the need for excessive heating or air conditioning. The windows are strategically placed to let in natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Every detail down to the last nail is chosen with energy efficiency in mind. It's like Musk has reimagined every part of the home building process to make it as green and sustainable as possible. And the best part, all of this innovation is packed into a $7,000 price tag. It's almost hard to believe, but that's what Musk does. He takes what seems impossible and turns it into reality. Now, let's talk about what life could look like in a neighborhood full of these Tesla houses. Musk has hinted that he doesn't just want these homes to be individual units scattered around. He envisions communities built with Tesla houses where every home is connected through Tesla's energy sharing technology. Imagine a neighborhood where each house not only generates its own energy but can share it with others, creating a microgrid of sustainable energy. On days when your home generates more power than you need, that energy could be shared with your neighbors, creating a supportive network of homes that work together for efficiency. It's a vision of community that's as much about connection as it is about independence, a kind of mutual sustainability where everyone benefits. And Musk's vision doesn't stop there. He's already revolutionized electric vehicles in energy storage, and now he's bringing that same disruptive spirit to housing. But he's also challenging the traditional real estate industry by showing that homes don't have to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to be good quality, comfortable, and sustainable. The $7,000 house is a direct response to the inflated housing market, where prices have made home ownership a distant dream for so many people. Musk is saying, here's a home that's affordable, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Why should housing be a luxury only a few can afford? He's flipping the script on the housing industry, and if he succeeds, this could be one of his biggest achievements yet. What's really exciting is the potential for these homes in areas that are typically hard to reach with traditional housing. Think about rural areas, developing regions, or places prone to natural disasters. With Tesla's modular, durable, and off-grid design, these homes could offer a safe, affordable solution for people who need it most. Musk has a knack for thinking globally, and this house is no different. It's not just for the suburban family, it's for anyone, anywhere who needs a home. He's creating something that could change the way we respond to housing crises and natural disasters, offering a quick, sustainable solution where traditional methods fall short. Living in a Tesla house also means being part of a broader social experiment and sustainable living. Musk's idea isn't just to sell homes. He wants to inspire a shift in how we think about our resources, our communities, and our relationship with the environment. By making these homes affordable and accessible, he's encouraged engaging people to make choices that are better for the planet. It's about creating a ripple effect where one small change, choosing a sustainable home, leads to Bigger changes in lifestyle consumption and environmental impact. In the end, Musk's $7,000 Tesla house isn't just about offering an affordable alternative, it's about setting a new standard for what a home should be. It's a challenge to traditional norms, an invitation to rethink our relationship with the environment, and a glimpse into a future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Part 3: The global implications of Musk's $7,000 house and its future impact. Now that we've explored the technology and design behind the Tesla house, let's take a step back and think about what this means for the world as a whole. Imagine what happens if these $7,000 homes really take off. We're not just talking about a new kind of house here, we're talking about a transformation that could shake the very foundations of the housing market. Musk has never been shy about disrupting industries, and with this he's targeting one of the most entrenched, complex, and costly systems around real estate. If successful, he could completely upend how we think about buy and live in homes. Think about how this new type of housing could change things for people who've been priced out of the market. For millions of people, especially young adults or those with lower incomes, owning a home has become a distant dream. Traditional homes are expensive, require large loans, and tie people down financially for decades. But what if for a fraction of the price you could own a home that doesn't come with a mortgage so heavy it crushes your financial freedom? Musk's $7,000 house is like a beacon of hope for people who just want a place they can call their own without a lifetime of debt. This isn't just another product launch for Musk, it's a social movement, an opportunity to bring housing back within reach for ordinary people. One of the most intriguing parts of Musk's vision is the idea of creating sustainable energy-sharing communities. Imagine an entire neighborhood of Tesla homes, each generating its own power, with the surplus being shared among neighbors. This isn't just a technological breakthrough, it's a new model for community living. Each house contributes to a local microgrid, reducing or even eliminating the need for outside power. On top of that, by sharing resources like power, neighborhoods can achieve a level of energy efficiency that's impossible for traditional homes. Musk isn't just giving people a place to live, he's giving them a new way to connect and interact with their communities. Centered around sustainability and shared resources, the environmental impact of this kind of housing model can't be overstated. In most cities, housing developments come with a hefty environmental price tag. They require massive infrastructure, consume tons of energy, and lead to significant waste. But Musk's Tesla homes are designed to exist in harmony with nature, rather than at its expense. These houses are small but sturdy, with materials chosen to be durable and low impact. They don't need extensive infrastructure, they generate their own power and potentially their own water. Imagine communities that leave almost no footprint on the environment. That's the world. Musk is envisioning a future where communities are self-sustaining and have minimal impact on the planet. However, rolling out this vision isn't going to be without its challenges. For one, traditional housing markets and real estate developers aren't exactly going to roll over and let Musk redefine the industry. There's a lot of money tied up in real estate, and powerful interests might resist the idea of affordable, high-quality homes. After all, a $7,000 house that's self-sufficient and doesn't need constant maintenance isn't exactly what the traditional housing market wants to hear. This house poses a direct threat to the status quo, and the backlash could be strong. But Musk is no stranger to controversy or pushback. He's gone toe-to-toe with the automotive industry, the energy sector, and even space exploration companies. If anyone has the tenacity to face down the real estate industry, it's him. Another challenge is the scalability of these homes. Building one $77,000 house is one thing, building enough to meet global demand is another. Tesla has the resources and experience in scaling up production. Just look at the success of their electric vehicles. But housing is a whole different ballgame. There are logistical issues, zoning, regulations, building codes, and of course the challenge of delivering and assembling these homes around the world. Musk's team will need to navigate a maze of regulations and find ways to make these homes compatible with different environments, climates, and local building standards. But if anyone can tackle these logistical nightmares, it's Musk and Tesla's innovative engineering team. It's also interesting to think about the potential adoption barriers. Not everyone is going to jump on board with a $7,000 Tesla house right away. For many people, the idea of a smart home that manages its own energy and resources might feel foreign, even a bit intimidating. There's also the stigma that affordable housing has to mean low quality. Tesla will need to convince people that this home isn't just cheap, it's efficient, durable, and capable of providing a quality living experience. Education will be key here. People need to understand that this isn't a budget option, but rather an intelligent, sustainable choice that can save them money and benefit the environment. Then there's the question of whether these homes could ever become mainstream. Imagine a future where Tesla houses aren't just for people looking for affordable housing, but become a preferred choice for everyone from young professionals to retirees. Musk's vision is bigger than just making homes affordable. He wants to change the way we think about housing altogether. If Tesla houses do become popular, they could force traditional real estate markets to adapt. Imagine a world where every new home is built with solar roofs, power walls, and aid-driven energy management. The ripple effect could be huge, pushing the entire industry toward more sustainable, affordable housing solutions. Now let's think about the even bigger picture. Musk has often talked about his long-term goal of making life multiplanetary, with Mars as the ultimate frontier. While this might sound like science fiction to some, the Tesla house actually fits into that vision. A self-sustaining, modular, and durable home is exactly what you'd need in a place where resources are scarce and the environment is harsh. In many ways, these $7,000 homes could be a testing ground for the kind of technology Musk hopes to use on Mars. He's not just thinking about Earth, he's laying the groundwork for the future of human settlement in places we haven't even reached yet. It's wild to think that a house you could buy here might one day be the model for homes on another planet. For now, though, the focus is firmly on Earth and the problems we face right here. Musk's $7,000 house is as much a response to the house in crisis as it is a call to action on environmental issues. Climate change, rising energy costs, and resource scarcity are all urgent problems, and Musk sees this house as a way to address them head-on. It's not just about providing people with an affordable place to live, it's about creating homes that don't drain the planet's resources. Musk is challenging all of us to rethink what we truly need in a home and how our living choices impact the world around us, and that's really the beauty of Musk's vision. He's not just focused on profits or product sales, he's driven by a desire to make a difference. When he says that this house will change everything, it's not just a marketing line. He genuinely believes that technology, when used correctly, can solve the world's most pressing issues. Musk has always been about pushing boundaries, but with this project he's pushing us to question our own habits, our assumptions about comfort and luxury, and our relationship with the environment. So what does the future hold? If Musk has his way, we could be seeing entire communities built with these Tesla houses in the coming years. Picture a neighborhood where every house is affordable, self-sustaining, and fully integrated with Tesla's energy systems. The idea isn't just to change individual lives, but to create a new model for society, one where homes are accessible to everyone regardless of income, and where sustainability is the norm, not the exception. Musk isn't content to wait for change. He's building it $7,000 house at a time. It's an exciting thought, isn't it? A world where anyone, anywhere can own a home without breaking the bank, and where our homes don't just shelter us but actively work to make the world a better place. Musk is showing us that the future of housing doesn't have to be a choice between affordability and quality, or between comfort and sustainability. With this house, he's proving that we can have it all, and that maybe, just maybe, a better world starts with a better home.